What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm starting off today's video in my E46 M3, as you guys can tell. And in today's video, I am finally going to be installing the coilovers that I recently picked up on this car. I've been wanting to lower this car for a little while now. I've had it for a few months, but I've been going back and forth and debating on what kind of coilovers to get for this car. It was either going to be between KW V1s or the BC Racing coilovers, but I went ahead and got the BC Racing coilovers instead because honestly they're just a better deal. I'll actually show you guys the coilovers themselves once I get to the shop. I'm actually headed there right now, so I will catch you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, I went ahead and brought the car to the shop. Went ahead and brought it inside. It's already dark outside, as you guys can tell. But yeah, like I said, in today's video we're going to be installing the coilovers onto the car. I honestly hate when cars have this much freaking wheel gap. You could fit like a little toddler baby in there. But yeah guys, if you guys have been watching the build series, in the last video I installed clear corner lights and new lenses on the headlights. It made a world of a difference, and honestly, like I always say, you cannot tell this color, or you can't see how this color looks on camera because it just does not do it justice. Looks like those birds were having a little pooping party on my car. But yeah, I went ahead and installed the LED taillights as well, so those are looking really good. The car looks like a completely different car just from those lighting upgrades. But yeah, moving on to today's video, finally gonna get this car lowered. I don't know if I'm gonna be finishing up today because it's already kind of late outside, but let me show you guys the coilovers that I got. Obviously went ahead with the BC Racing coilovers. I didn't do the KW V1s only because I don't like the way those coilovers adjust. This is the real way to adjust coilovers, where it has this spring preloaded already, so it's in basically one spot, and then you adjust the coilover by turning the whole thing, and it adjusts by going up and down in this chamber right here. And also these coilovers come with camber plates, which the KW V1s don't, so I just didn't want to pay 1,700 bucks or 1,800 bucks for KW V1s for basically less stuff than these BC Racings. These were only 1,100 bucks, which is honestly a really good deal. I got like 100 bucks off also because I bought it on Black Friday, so it's been sitting here for a little while. But yeah, we got front and rear struts, shocks, perches, and all the necessary stuff. They even send end links, which I don't remember if the KWs do or don't, but they send those as well. This is a pretty easy, straightforward install. So first I got to get the car on the lift, get it lifted up in the air. Georgie boy's gonna help me, and we're gonna get this thing done. Let me get a few shots of how it looks before, quick little cinematic shots, and then we'll move on to the rest of the video and get to work on it. Alright guys, I went ahead and took out all the old suspension, which is laying down right there. As I was saying, I took out all the old suspension, which is laying down right there. And then I got all the brand new suspension laid out right here. We got the front coilovers, front sway bar end links. We have the rear shocks right here, which are also adjustable. but I'm gonna leave it at the preloaded setting that they send it with. I'm also gonna leave the coilover size at the preloaded size also, because they send it at a pretty good height compared to stock. And then we got the springs obviously, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly just throw all the new parts back onto the car, and then I will get back to you guys.
Took up that teacher when you moved? Yeah, all the time. That teacher with glasses.
Sir, you are caught on 4K saying that?
4K? Oh shit. Fuck.
Your butt's dirty.
I know. Yeah, I just got time. He called me, he's like, come try it out. I was like, well, I'm so busy. What? On it. Yeah. Well, I forget that. I haven't seen this since there's a minute.
I'm just gonna lower it all the way.
I walked by it when I was in the high market.
Put baby's head in there. Why did you say that?
It's just me, a high market went up.
You can put a baby's head in there.
No, a full baby.
A full baby.
Because if the fender gap is too big?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's kind of sadistic. Hey. Alright guys, we're gonna adjust the height on this.
Alright guys, the rear is way too high, so I'm gonna go ahead, lower the rear, and then I will get back to you guys.
We lowered the back a little, just gotta roll it around just a tad bit, just to see.
I just watch movies like
No, roll it back real quick, it might sit a little.
Still too high, huh?
No, it's good. It's side a little.
If you go like a hair more, like a half
I can only go a little bit lower.
Close that door.
Really?
Yeah, and then I have to start taking like one of those plastic
The windows. I think it's fine. You put a spacer, I can put one in the front and back or just the front?
probably needs gold.
If you put a little bit of spacer, it should be fine.
I think if I go down the left or the right, that's the Alright guys, so I went ahead and adjusted the height. I basically maxed out the rear. There's still a little bit more to go, which I think I'm gonna do because I don't really like that the front is a little bit more lower than the rear, so I'm gonna go ahead and max those out later on. I'm not even gonna bother showing it in this video. But yeah guys, this is what the car looks. Finally lowered, finally looks good. There's actually like 2 mods on right now, which you guys won't see until the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, I finally got those BC Racing coilovers on. They look so good. This car deserves to be at this height. All I gotta do is lower the rear a little bit more and it'll be way better. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think of the ride height. I was gonna get you guys a few cinematic clips of the car, but you guys will probably have to wait till the next video where I'll do a better like cinematic thing with some new wheels, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. But yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. As always, hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of the new suspension and the ride height of the E46, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.